Hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. So we have so many delicious Goan recipes that we make at Christmas, and it's impossible for me to decide which one I like better, but this is one I make every year and this is called milk cream. So let's get started. So first off, we need 100 grams of powdered cashew nuts, 350 grams of granulated sugar, 1 liter of milk and 30 grams of butter. So we start off by reducing the milk to half. Here we keep it on a low to medium flame and we keep a check on it. We don't have to stir it continuously, just make sure that it doesn't boil over and spill. And this process takes around 20 to 25 minutes. So once that happens, we add in the sugar. I've not been very careful with adding it in, so try not to make as big of a mess as I did. So here we add in the sugar and we give it a good stir for another 15 to 20 minutes till it forms like a syrup, as you will see. Here you have to stir it, not continuously, but you have to keep stirring it till the sugar dissolves. So at this point it just reached that syrup consistency and we add in the cashew nuts. So once we add in the powdered cashew, we have to stir it continuously for another 20 to 25 minutes till the mixture becomes dark and starts leaving the sides. Also, all the lumps have to get dissolved, so we have to keep stirring. Here you can see the mixture thickening up, and after a while it will get quite dark and it will start forming a clump in the middle. So as you can see, at this stage it's starting to leave the sides and the mixture has become quite dark, like toffee. So this is when we'll add our 30 grams of butter and give it a good mix for another 2-3 minutes, just until the butter has melted and it's mixed well. Now we put the flame off and put the mixture on a plate, and once it cools down a little, the mixture still has to be a little warm. It's because it's easier to put it into the forms that way and it comes off easily. As you can see, I've put it into the molds and they look beautiful. So thanks everyone for watching. I hope you try it.